Presenting the 2006 Mazda Tribute S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: pass-through rear seat, privacy glass, bucket seats, driver-adjustable lumbar, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, passenger vanity mirror, engine immobilizer, and power mirror. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.